Hello fabric enthusiasts, welcome back to FabFlaire. Fabrics play a crucial role in our everyday lives, from the clothes we wear to the upholstery in our homes. Today we'll dive into the top 5 fabrics that are produced in the highest numbers across the globe. Cotton. Number 1 on our list is cotton. Known as the king of fabrics, cotton is beloved for its breathability, softness, and versatility. It's produced in massive quantities worldwide, with major producers being China, India, and the United States. Cotton is used in everything from clothing and home textiles to industrial products. Polyester. Coming in second is polyester. This synthetic fiber has become a staple in the textile industry due to its durability, resistance to shrinking and stretching, and quick-drying properties. Polyester is widely used in fashion, home furnishings, and even outdoor gear. Major producers include China, India, and the United States. Wool. Third on our list is wool. This natural fiber is prized for its warmth, elasticity, and moisture-wicking abilities. Wool production is concentrated in countries like Australia, New Zealand, and China. It's commonly used in garments like sweaters, coats, and blankets, as well as in carpeting and upholstery. Rayon. Fourth is rayon, a semi-synthetic fiber made from cellulose, typically derived from wood pulp. Rayon is known for its silk-like feel and drapeability, making it a popular choice for clothing and home textiles. Key producers include China, India, and Indonesia. Nylon. Rounding out our top 5 is nylon. Invented in the 1930s, nylon is a synthetic fiber known for its strength, elasticity, and resistance to mildew. It's used in a variety of applications, from apparel and hosiery to ropes and parachutes. Major producers include China, the United States, and Taiwan. These 5 fabrics, cotton, polyester, wool, rayon, and nylon, dominate the global textile market, each bringing unique qualities to the world of fabrics. Understanding their production and uses helps us appreciate the rich tapestry of materials that shape our lives.